What's up, you guys? So, coming at you guys with a small stash update. I know I told you guys I would do this this coming weekend, but I kind of can't help myself. I just keep going out to where I get my stuff from, and I just keep buying stuff. I'm actually still going out there this weekend, but this is just some of the stuff that I've been picking up throughout the week, and I thought I'd show you guys. So, I went out to my buddy, and I got these two ghetto blasters. Big Johnson Firework, as you guys know very well. 25 shot, got those two. And then I got two squad leaders, which is pretty similar. There's no titanium in that. Hard cake for me to actually find, but I'll show you guys those. I'll do a demo of the squad leaders, and I'll do a demo of the ghetto blasters along with the other Big Johnson cakes that I did pick up. I got a cake called Whack Job, and I actually wanted to get this cake from an online site, but because the shipping was so woefully expensive, I waited to see if my buddy would get them, and he did. So I got that. This one I was really wanting to get because it looked like it was a hard-hitting cake. 7-shot cake. Bill Nye the Pyro guy, if you guys can see that. Pretty cool. By Showtime Fireworks down there. Kind of psychedelic type of cake. There are videos of this one online if you guys want to just type that in YouTube and look at that. That's a really cool cake, so I'm really excited to do that, and I will do a demo of that cake for you guys too. Let's see. Oh, so I got these rockets, really big rockets. Actually, I've been seeing other people get these. They stand pretty tall. I've seen people get these, and people hype these up a ton, and they're like, oh my gosh, the crowd went crazy because, we had these huge rockets, and they paid, a ton of money for it. And the guys that were trying to sell these were trying to sell them for like $125 because I can understand that because you can't find them, but $125 is way too much. I found them in a different place and got them for way less. I got them for $60, which is not bad. I didn't even want these rockets for what was in them. I just wanted these rockets for the motor attached to it. Let's see if I can pull this off. I just wanted that rocket motor, and it's a big rocket motor, to lift up what's inside of there. It's a pretty big motor. I mean, just holding this in my hand, if you guys want to see that, it's a decent size. The only place I've actually seen these online is actually Epic Fireworks too. So these little caps, they're the only ones I can find of any sort of resemblance. Maybe Genghis Fireworks, Epic Fireworks, one of the two. But really nice fireworks nonetheless. I did go ahead and open these up for you guys to actually see what was in them. And I've seen videos of people lighting them off, but no one actually goes into depth of what these actually do. Well, of what's actually in them. I'm not actually gonna tell you guys what's inside of these. I might. We'll see what kind of response I get from you guys of if y'all actually want to see what's inside of these things. I'll also let you guys know that it is pretty crazy, pretty insane. But again, when I lit it off, I know it's loud. I know something that's loud, and if it's just the average guy that goes to, go buy fireworks from somewhere, it's gonna be pretty loud to that person. Yeah, it's loud, but I have some pretty loud stuff, and I don't actually have it here in this video because I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys some pretty loud things. But I just wanted the rock engine to that. I might just take out the comp and, you know, put it somewhere, or maybe I'll take it out, light it on the ground for you guys, just so you can see what actually was inside of there. So over here, I got some smaller items. So let's see what we got. So I got some interesting little things, little freebie type items that I got for my guy. This one is called Hothead, probably pretty similar to a Crazy Robot Flower. I got a Joke's on You, which is another little, you know, salute type thing. Not bad, they're not bad. I got this thing, which I'm like, what is this? I don't really know if I even want to light this. Look at the fuse. If I focus that best I can. Weird. I'm like, guy's like, yeah, just, you know, just light the end of it and throw it. I'm like, there's no way I'm holding this little piece of paper in my hand and I'm throwing it. That's insane. So I'll light that thing off for you guys too and see what it does. I've never seen these before, so we'll see what that does. I got a jumbo triangle. I've never actually really had triangles, and I know I showed you guys that I had one in my last video, but I don't usually buy these. They were selling these things for like, I think like $3 or $5 a piece. I'm like, yeah, no, I don't think so. And then a Cobra Cracker, and they were selling these things for the same price. I'm like, I'm not buying those either. I don't really buy little things like that. And you know, my guy, he usually gives me good prices on things, but I'm like, I'm not buying Cobra Crackers and little things. You guys see the stuff that I buy. I'm not really interested in those. He did give me a Hitman shell, which I'll demo for you guys as well. And then he gave me these little things, little cigars, what they're called. And you see that pink stuff on top? What you're supposed to do with this is you're supposed to strike it against a surface, a piece of wood or a matchbox, and then the top of this glows bright red, kind of like magnesium or phosphorus. It just like kind of slowly moves across the top of the stick. Sorry, I'm trying to focus this. And then it blows up. Probably not something I want to, you know, hold in my hand either. I'll probably try to light it some way because I don't want to hold this in my hand, but I don't know. We'll see what I'll do. And then I'll show you guys how those work. I'll do a few. And then I got these, which are similar, just a little bigger. He actually told me that the smaller ones are actually louder than these ones, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. And this one has a yellow to it instead of the red, so we'll see. I also got some eggs to show you. Some dragon eggs. This one's actually color crackle. These are 1.75 inch display shells from Lido. Show you guys that. So I got color crackle. I got what's this? Green grass peony. I got let's see, another green grass peony, and then that is just a regular dragon egg. They're 1.75 inch. They're small shells, but you know, I'll do demos for you guys too to see how these work. This should be okay. And then I got another one. This one is a titanium salute with a heavy report. And this one is a 2.5 inch shell. And I'll show you guys a demo of that. My mortar tubes are around here somewhere, so I'll show you guys a demo of that too. Yeah, that's all that I got so far. Just from me going around and, you know, seeing my guy and seeing what he had and stuff. I'm going to be doing a larger purchase this weekend. But like I said, I just can't help myself sometimes. So I go out and just keep buying stuff and buying stuff and buying stuff. It's a habit and it's a hobby. I like this stuff. So yeah, I'll be doing a demo of all these things. Let me guys know which ones you guys want to see first, and I'll do those for you guys first. But yeah, thanks you guys for, oh yeah, and thank you for the subscribers that have been subscribing to my channel. You know, I really appreciate that, and I'd like you guys' feedback on the videos that you guys want to see. I'll try and get, you know, I'll try and go in more depth of the rocket volley that I got, just so you guys can understand what that is and how I got it, that kind of stuff. But yeah, thanks for the subscribers that have been subscribing. Let me guys know which ones you guys want to see next for these fireworks. And thanks you guys.